Oh my gosh, there are people. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's people calling my bird. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive. I'm right now in my room and here's baby Love and there is Glory. Hi Glory. She's on the swing. She's trying to get my hat. Be nice, Glory. Now Glory can jump. Glory, do you want to jump? Jump. 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 She can't get off the stand, so she's angry. But anyway, look who's here. Hopi. Hopi, do you want to go fly? Come on. Come on, Hopi, let's go fly. Glory, don't take off my hat. Wee, wee, wee. Okay guys, so we are going flying right now. So just want to say hi to my hyacinth, to my two blues. Hi blues. Hi blues. And Hope. Don't break my buttons. Love, don't break my buttons. Please don't break my buttons. Yeah, I'm constantly What? Glory? What do you want? You want to come down? You want to come down? Oh, she wants to come down, but no, I'm not getting her. Once she's down, she's just doing like a lot of silly stuff. Love, come on, let's go. Alright, so we're gonna go free flying. Yay! And if you are new here, welcome. I'm Carolin von Petzholdt. You pronounce it pets and then you hold them like pets, you have a lot of pets and you hold them. Petzholdt, and it's German, it's von Petzholdt. That's me, Carolin von Petzholdt, and I call my fans CVPs, my beautiful CVPs. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a great day, because we are having a great day. Hope is back there having fun. We're heading right now to the park to fly him, and it's been cloudy and rainy like for the past week here in California, in Los Angeles, and it's really cold, so I'm all like cozy up in my leather jacket and my awesome merch. Born to Free Fly, that's my brand. Go check it out, angelicparrots.com. We have different awesome type of merch, and we have t-shirts and sweatshirts and caps and all this awesome fun stuff. Okay, so Hope is already so excited. He can't wait to go fly. So here is an update on Love. You guys saw the video about Love, and the reason why he flew away was A, the winds were so strong, it pushed him away, but he was fighting the wind, he was trying to come back, but also B, what was even more scary was the drones in the air. And I didn't know he would be spooked off by them, but he did. So he wanted to come down, and then something distracted him. He saw the drones and they were like kind of like up in the air with him, and he just got so afraid, and then he just went with the wind. Luckily he's a baby bird. He didn't have too much stamina to kind of like fly too far away. Luckily he's a baby, he can't fly so far, so I found him again like around half a mile radius, and I'm so lucky I found him. It was just so scary to lose birds, but I did found him. Everything is good. He's home with me. He is happy. We are cuddling, we are loving, we are just happy, because life is so beautiful if you are happy. If you are negative and you just see the bad stuff in life, everything sucks, everything is like intense, everything is like boo. But if you're happy, the sun, even if it's not shining, it's still shining. Okay, beautiful CVPs and YouTube world, we just got to the park and here's a lot of cars. I just see like so many cars, I can't even park here. I think there's like a community meeting going on. So let's turn around, park over there, and get Hope out of the car and let him fly.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we just parked, we just got into the park, got at the park, and let's get Hope out and let's get him flying. You want to come out and fly? Let's get his leash. check this out. He broke again his leash. I fix it. He broke it. I'm replacing it. He broke it. So let's get Hope out. Hopey, come on. Come on, let's go fly. Oh, it's a little cold. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Let's look left and right. No cars? No cars? Okay, go fly. Good boy. Whee! Ah! Oh. A lot of people. Let's get in the car. Puppy, 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 puppy. Come on, Hope. Good boy. So while Hope is flying, I'll just like walk here around and just enjoy the day. It's so empty. Look at no dog drama. I love it if there's no dog drama. Okay guys, so I'm gonna run down the field and let's see who's coming. Is Hope coming? Yes, Hope's coming. Hope! Hope! Whee! He got me! You got me! You got me! Hobie! Hi! Hi, Hobie! Hi! Is it fun? Is it fun? And guys, because last time when we came to the park, ow! Last time when we came to the park, it was all wet and my feet got wet. So now I have boots. Check this out. Nice boots. Because it's been rainy and it's really rainy. It's really cold. Hi, Hope. Do you want to go fly? Want to go fly again? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I think that's it. Yeah. Good boy, Hope. Where's he? Hope, where are you? Hope, come. Come on, Hope. Come on. Come catch me. Hope. Come on, Hope. Hi. Come on, Hope. Whee! Where's he coming? Where's Hobie? Ah! He just moved me. Hobie, come. Hobie. He got me. He's so fast. He's so fast. You got me, Hope. You got me. We're both out of breath. Okay, but please leave my hat on. Ow! Hobie is so playful. Ow! Little chicken. Hi! Hi, Hobie. Oh, hi. Oh, Hobie. Alright, you have to behave. Behave. No. 1, 2, 3, go! Sometimes he gets overexcited. Come on, Hope! Come on! Let's go! Hobie! He's over there. Hobie, come. He got me again. You got me. You did. I just need to make sure he doesn't get my hat off. Oh, Hobie. I love my bird. Oh, Hobie, come. Hi, how are you? Good. Just playing with my bird. Oh, so cold. Oh, he got it. You got it.
Moments later.
Okay, guys, Hope doesn't want to fly. He wants to cuddle. You want to cuddle? You want to cuddle with me? Okay, step up. Yeah. Hi, Hope. Oh, okay. He doesn't want to go. Hope, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Moments later.
Now he's flying. There he goes. Leaving my hair a mess. Oh my gosh, there are people. Oh my gosh, there's people. Somebody's calling my parrot. So there's a lady calling my parrot. Hope is up there. Let's go talk to her. Here she is. Oh, where's Hope? Somebody just called my parrot. I hope she won't steal him. She's still whistling. Hoppy! There he is. Whee! There he is. He's gonna land back on that tree. Oh. Okay, so keep on calling my bird. Why would they do that? Why would they call my bird? Oh, okay, so so guys, there's people calling my bird, and I don't know why they're calling him. They're trying to get him down, calling him. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over there and address that. Isn't that a beautiful parrot?
Yes, it's a guacamayan.
Yeah, are you trying to get him?
Yes, I tried because it's so cold outside.
Oh, so you want to catch him?
I saw.
You think you can catch him?
I don't know. Maybe he's lost.
I don't know. But he's beautiful.
Oh yes.
He's probably also very expensive.
Yes.
Wait, there he is. If I catch him, I'm going to take him home.
Me too.
You too?
Yes. Hello, darling. Come on.
Oh, he's flying low. Look.
Sweet.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I caught him! Oh my gosh! I caught him! He just flew to me!
My sweetie.
Oh my gosh! I got a parrot!
Oh, hello.
Isn't he beautiful?
Give some papaya
Oh.
some orange
Hi!
and see.
What's your name?
Lady. Hello.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe I just caught a parrot! Oh wow, this is my lucky day! Oh my gosh! Oh, is he beautiful? Oh, you came to me!
Yes.
Oh wow!
I'm just so lost.
And he's biting me! Don't bite me!
Maybe hungry.
Oh, he's hungry?
Yes, hungry.
You think he's hungry?
Yes, he's so cold.
Wait, maybe I have something in my pocket. Do you want something to eat? Look, what do I have? Wait, do I have something to eat? Yeah, wait, baby. Oh, wait, let me see if I have something in my pocket.
Yes.
Ow, don't bite me. Look, ow, he's biting me. Ow, ow. Look, I have a banana chip. Oh, he is hungry, look.
Yes, very hungry.
Oh my gosh, he's probably lost and he's hungry.
Yeah, maybe it's lost. They don't have nothing in here, in the leg?
No leg bands.
Oh, so sad.
So sweet.
So you think somebody lost him?
Yeah,
Yes.
I think yes.
Do you think I should bring him to Humane Society?
Yes, please take a photo and
But
What would you do if you found a lost bird?
I give some seeds
Yeah, and then
and give some papaya food
papaya?
and you take it in a one inside your house
Yeah, and then
and be careful about
hey, ow, don't bite me. Hey, what you doing? And what else should I do now with him? I don't know what I should do.
Yes, like this.
Ow! 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 I can't. Ow! Ow! Go! Ow! That hurts. Come back.
what?
Oh my gosh! He likes me. He likes me. He came back.
Yes, so sweet.
Such a sweet. I think I'm gonna keep him.
Yes, do it.
I'm gonna keep him, or maybe even sell him. What do you think? How much he will cost?
Oh, maybe 2,000.
Two? I just found a $2,000 bird.
Yes.
I think even more.
Maybe
They
he
exotic.
die if he stay in the tree. 'Cause
He will die if he stay in the tree?
Yes.
maybe because
Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what? I have a leash from my dog. Let's put him on. Maybe he'll gonna, and I can take him home. Let's see if he can go on the leash. Do you want to go on the leash? Bert, come here. Come here, Bert. Come
Do
here.
you want some picture with your phone?
Come here. No, I think I'm fine. Let he take the leash. Oh my gosh, I got him! Whee! He's now mine. Yay!
Okay, have a good afternoon.
Guys,
Cold.
I'm kidding. This is my bird. His name is Hope. He's free fly trained. I was just pranking you guys. I train him since he's a baby. So he's not lost.
I love
Yeah, he comes to me. He doesn't land on strangers. But I was like pranking you guys. Yeah. Bye, bye. Come on, Hope, let's go. Whee! 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 Was it funny? Oh my god. I just pranked those people. I tricked them. They really believed he was lost.
Hey, because they were really calling.
Yeah, they were calling him. And I was like, oh, if I catch him, he's mine. And they believed me. It's like, yes, take him
Oh,
home.
you didn't tell him yet?
I did. At the end, I popped their bubble.
What is the bubble that
Was he really biting you?
He nips sometimes. Oh, look, a falcon. Right there. Hobie, look, a falcon.
That's bad news, right?
Yeah, it's a hawk.
What?
Better go home.
Bad cartoon this time.
They come down from the mountains and they're hungry. And then they catch
Rodents?
rodents or even little birds like pigeons and stuff.
I want to go home.
Bye.
Leaving.
He was like in the house for the past 3 days. And he just loves to like be out and fly and spread his wings. Yeah. All right, have a good one. Gonna go home. Bye. Have a good one.
Really good show, huh?
Yeah, good show. Bye. Have a good one. Same here. Hey guys, so I just tricked them. I just pranked them. Oh my god, that is so funny. So funny. They really thought my bird was lost. And oh my gosh. Comment below, let me know what you think. I can't stop laughing. That was fun, right? We pranked them, we tricked them, Hope. Well, that's the beauty of free flying, guys. Okay, this was the vlog. I hope you enjoy it and you like it. And I'm gonna go now to my car and I'm gonna put Hope in and then we'll be off at home. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, comment below and give us a thumbs up. I love you. Alrighty.